register for new deal for his customer to the vendors. So let's say the active partner, one A and B are the active partner, and they are registering a deal for the C. So here what the dealer as a they will do, they will click on a new button, register new button. So it will ask for a connect a CRM. So my CRM is already connected, so that pop-up didn't came here. So now I'm going to put a deal web engage deal. Okay, and here we have to select the partners. So let's say if I select this partner, and I need to select the country. So here the user can select the country, like let's say India. And what's the ACV, annual contract value. So for example, if I write 45,000, this is like my budget. And what's the expected closing time? So minimum is 7 and maximum is 120 days. So let's say I put 20 days, for example. And website, like we have to enter the customer website, potential customer website. So here, so it will check for if you are putting a already already deal existing website, so it will say deal is already logged, otherwise it will check real time here. So right now, yeah, it's good to go, we can use this. And what's the current solution and competitor? So let's say I can write Salesforce and describe. So we need to implement web analytics tool. Okay, and add custom field means like the field which are not here. So what we can do, for example, if you want to add what's the preferred communication between the dealer and vendor. So it's or the customers and the vendor, so we can write preferred communication. So it will add as a custom field, and it will select as a data type like a text. So it should be like same like WhatsApp, right? So once I add field here, so it will add as a one customer field. Okay, and now it's ready to go. So once you click a submit, so now your deal is transferred to the vendors. So you can see your status, deal status is pending. Deal size right now you cannot identify because it will come from the hotspot. And what's the status, like sent or received. So dealer will see the sent here, and deal stages waiting for the approval. This is like first time only, and it will come from the hotspot. And this is our deal code where we can identify that particular deal. So and the point of contact is here. We can add in make changes here also later. So once we click, we can see, okay, deal protection is 90 days. This is by default 90 days, which is not identified from the dealer side. And we can see, okay, now I have another browser which is act as a vendor. So now this deal came either through the portal, like email template, or through the notification portal. So user, once they click, they will react to the here like deal pipeline. So I will refresh this. So on refreshing, I can find my this web engaged deal, and I can see, okay, it's received because I'm a vendor, and status is pending. Once I click here, I can find the details. Okay, this is yeah, I'm good to go by reading all this information. So once I approve, so here I have a deal section on my HubSpot. Okay, this is which is already I have one more deal for another customer. Now what I can do, I can click the approve. Okay, now you see your deal status is now active between your vendors and the dealers. And here if you see, and if you refresh, your web engaged deal on the HubSpot deal section. Here we have a deal stage, appointment schedule. We have so many things where vendors will do the manually from his side. like a quality to buy according to the deal stages. So let's say like I'm in the deal stage for contract sent, and my amount is 10,000, $15,000. So they both, dealer and vendor, they can see the real time. So according to the syncing of the data from the like HubSpot side. So here we put the trigger, so it will automatically sync the data from the HubSpot. So it will trigger after 10 minutes. Stages which we chose here, like contract sent, and this $15,000, it came here on the deal size on our platform. So this data will always be here, and you can see last sync is 1 minute ago. This is like last syncing. It will say the activity between the customers and the vendor, so that dealer not has to like like they need every time, they need no need to ask like for the dealers, they can like they can see from here. And if we talk about dealer portal, so they can see